To liquid stake your stars with pStake, start by going to app.pstake.finance/cosmos. Connect the Cosmos wallet of your choice, where you have your stars tokens, and agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Now under the Choose Asset tab, search for stars and select it. Fill in the amount of stars you wish to liquid stake and proceed by clicking the Liquid Stake button. If you didn't have your stars on the persistence chain yet, you will need to approve two separate transactions. The first one transfers stars from Stargaze to the Persistence Core 1 chain via IBC. The second transaction liquid stakes the transferred stars on pStake. But in this case, we just needed to sign the second one. If you click on the button next to Validator Distribution, you can check the current list of validators on the Validator Distribution page. Once both transactions are completed, you can go over to the dashboard where you can find your new stkSTARS balance. To unstake your stkSTARS, go back to the Staking tab and select Unstake. You'll see there are two options for you to choose from. Flash Unstake will allow you to instantly redeem your stkSTARS for a small fee. Regular Unstake will also redeem your stkSTARS, but this will take about 14 days to unstake your assets before you can claim your stars. To Flash Unstake, enter the amount of stkSTARS you want to unstake and simply click on Flash Unstake. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And that's it! You immediately have stars available in your wallet without having to wait out the unbonding period. To regular unstake, follow the same process by entering the amount of stkSTARS you wish to unstake, and confirm by clicking on the Unstake button below. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And there you go! The unbonding of your stars tokens has now started and can be tracked in your dashboard. When going to the Unbonding tab, you will see the exact amount of stars that is unbonding and how much days there are left before you can claim them. Now to put your stkSTARS to work, you can head over to the DeFi tab and look for the stkSTARS stars pool on Dexter. Click on Add Liquidity to go straight to the app. Once there, connect your Cosmos wallet and agree to the terms and conditions in order to proceed. You can find the pool APR on the bottom left of the page and see in detail where the rewards are coming from. Now scroll to the top of the page and click on Add Liquidity. Enter the amount of stars and stkSTARS you want to LP into the pool and click on the Add Liquidity button. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to be confirmed. In order to start earning additional rewards, you need to bond your LP shares. So click on the Bond Shares button and enter the amount of shares you would like to bond. Note that there is a 7 days unbonding period on these LP tokens. Approve the transaction in your wallet once more. Wait for it to confirm. And done! Your stkSTARS tokens will now start generating additional yield on Dexter.